What's up everybody, Brian Tong here, and what you see in my hand, see all these pretty colors? This is the new Pixel 9a. This is Google's entry-level phone. Let me put these phones down for a second so we can talk about it. And this is just a quick first look, hands-on. Now right here, you see design-wise, right? Still very elegant. You have this aluminum frame. This is a polycarbonate plastic. Sure, it doesn't have that camera bar that the 9 and the 9 Pro has, but this is a very simplified design. The biggest thing on the back here, two cameras. You have a wide 48 megapixel camera and then an ultra wide 13 megapixel camera. So you have a lot of versatility with the shots that you can make. You can't say that for all entry-level phones that have a wide and an ultra wide. Now when we flip this over to the front, this is a 6.3 inch OLED display, refresh rate supporting 60 Hertz to 120 Hertz. So it checks that box off as well. Also, you have here peak brightness, 1800 nits, but with HDR content and higher, 2700, but really the sustained peak brightness, 1800. Now, what you also have on the backside, wireless charging. Yes, Qi wireless charging got that covered. You have fast charging as well. Internally, we're talking about 8 gigs of memory, and then Google's Tensor G4 processor, which means this phone also supports Google Gemini. This really has everything you expect in a mid-tier phone, but this is their entry-level phone. I think more than anything, it's really just the design. It comes in 4 colors. You have Iris, Peony, which is that pink color, and then the standard Obsidian and Porcelain. That's the entire collection. Now you want to talk about price? Well, storage capacity, 128 gigs will start at $499, 256 gigs, $599. This phone will be available to pre-order March the 19th, which is when you're seeing this. Then it'll be available on shelves on the 26th. But this is, in my opinion, just by looking at it, first look, hands-on, this has got to be one of the best entry-level phones at a price starting at $499 with specs that you don't feel like they're skimping that much on this phone. Again, 120 Hertz refresh rate, dual cameras, does the biggest thing, wireless charging, and Gemini, it's all in here.